Alright, we're getting ready to clean a carpet real quick. It's Christmas Eve. And we're back out. Some of you may recognize this from another video we did a few months ago. There's our little car parked out there. We just got done pre-spraying, and there were some stains in the carpet that already kind of lightened up just from the pre-spray alone. So, shouldn't be too bad. There is some stuff in here that's kind of in hard, that's damaged a little bit. This carpet's kind of worn down. But here we go. And again, I'll put links in the video description for the machine and for the Oreck and for anything else that might be something to mention. Our Facebook group, our Amazon store, things like that.
Yeah, these carpets have a fair amount of wear in them.
Yeah.
There's some stuff that won't come out, some permanent stuff.
Walk around a little bit. There's actually like a bluish, well maybe not. There's kind of a lot of shadowing in here. I don't know if I'll try to show. There's not a lot to see back there. Yeah, this is going to be just a little basic job. We're actually doing a hallway and a bedroom, but it's not going to be good to video back there. So we got a kids home and stuff. We don't want to try to video with people's kids in the house during Christmas. Hope all you guys are having a good holiday. Everything's going good. 2020 is about to come to an end, and I think a lot of people will be glad. Yeah, a lot of people will be glad for that. Here's hoping 2021 will be better.
You might head up that way, because I am. I'm driving that direction.
We had a pretty good year. It was a little slower than the year before, but it was fine. It's kind of like, what can you really expect with everything that happened this year?
Yeah, we had a pretty good year.
No real complaints or anything?
Nope.
We talked to a lot of people this year who started their businesses, and let me tell you, this was a bad year to start a business, I think, but a lot of people still, they were able to do pretty good. We were talking to one guy, and he bought one of these machines, and he ended up making like $40,000 with it. So he had a really good year, and he actually was able to move up and invest in some bigger equipment so he could do even more work because he started doing a lot of commercial jobs.
Well, he made like $40,000 with this machine, and then he spent like $4,000 on another machine. And I guess he uses this on the houses on smaller places, and he uses the bigger machine on bigger places, which is cool.
Yeah, he started doing a lot of commercial accounts and wanted something faster to keep up with all that, but when we tell people these are a good investment and a good way to start your own business, we mean it.
Well, as you can see, it'll go through a residential account. Residential account means fast.
Yeah.
We clean everything, whether commercial, residential. We don't have no problem.
Yeah, but that's
But if you want to get one of these, get started, and then save yourself up $3,000 or $4,000 and buy something else, you can do that. It's your world, you know.
Well, just I'll put a link for the machine, but
hey Joe, if you walk out there, you can get me filming.
Well, I don't know if there's room back there for me.
Yeah, there will be. Just kind of stand where I'm not.
Find my way into the corner here. We've got our Facebook group, and we help people out a lot there. when you comment on the videos and stuff like that. Now, to be honest, the YouTube commenting thing hasn't been working 100% great, so sometimes people comment and I don't see it for a month or two. It finally shows up that someone commented, so there's a delay with that. So
that's YouTube, not us.
yeah, I'll put a link
if
for
you
the.
comment to us, we'll respond to you. But
We don't always get the comments right away. The new studio is kind of. Yeah, the new studio is kind of buggy about getting you your stuff in a timely manner.
Of course, if you're rude, we'll just block you. So, but most people are cool, and we talk to everybody that we know that we.
But the Facebook group that I'll put a link for is probably a little better because you could talk to us there, and you could talk to lots of other people that have also started their businesses and everything. Plus, some really experienced carpet cleaners have been doing it for decades, so it's kind of a nice place to get more information.
Here's a spot that may not come out. It's got some permanent stuff in it. Hey, it's something you can do. You can't get out all the stains, unfortunately. That's the thing about it. No big deal. It happens.
Well,
yeah, let me spray the hall. We'll clean that.
I guess I'm going to pretty much end the video right away here.
Well,
I hope.
We can do the hall.
No, I'm not going to try to show that. I'll finish up. All right, there's our bag full of junk that we carry around. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was kind of a brief video, but you can see how easy it really is to do all this stuff. Yeah, just check all the links and join the Facebook group if you want to talk to us a little. If you want to be able to interact a little bit more with us and other people, that's the best place probably to get a hold of us at. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, thanks for watching. All right, this is we weren't going to video back here, but I think we will. There were some kids back here laying around and enjoying their Christmas vacation, but he took them to another part of the house, so we will go ahead and video this room. We just put our pre-spray down.
Now, if you guys are in our VLM group, you know I talk about microfiber this, microfiber that, and yeah, I'm using cotton today. You know what? It's Christmas.
Yeah.
I mean, the truth is I'm using cotton because the carpets are just thick enough that I like using microfiber on thinner carpets. On thicker carpets, I like using cotton because it glides so fast.
Yeah, don't use thin pads on like glue down, commercial glue down, and on Berber because the machine bounces too much. It's harder on the machine, and it's always best to try to find a bonnet or pad that spins the best.
The way we do this is, and we've been doing this a long time, we're pretty precision at it. Use a thick bonnet on thin carpets, use a thin bonnet on thick carpets. That's a rule of thumb you follow, you'll never have a problem.
And the basic Oreck bonnets that
they work good
we used for years and years, you can use them on anything.
You might as well go that direction.
The microfibers, now the ones with scrub strips, sometimes even on a commercial carpet, they have too much what you call stiction. And if the machine's working too hard to spin the bonnet, then it's just putting wear and tear on your machine.
You're losing out on your cleaning if you can't keep. You want the machine moving fast as you can. You're not going to hurt your machine, but you might hurt your performance on a carpet.
Yeah, and to be honest, on our machine,
get that out of the way. That hair, get rid of that. That means we're picking stuff up from the bottom.
on our machine, we're using an old driver that we used for years and years on this Orex, and the teeth are worn down, so it won't shred up a bonnet like this. But a lot of people are trying to use a stock Oreck pad driver on these thin bonnets on microfibers, and it rips them to shreds. So you either have one that's worn down like we've got, or you're going to need to get one that's modified somehow.
So the Challenger.
Or yeah, the Challenger pad driver has become very popular. And if you want one of those, the easiest way to find those, I think, is go to Carpet Muscle TV, his YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Corey Thibodeau.
Contact Corey.
And contact him.
Corey's a Challenger dealer.
Yeah. And he can help you get hooked up for getting a Challenger pad driver that will fit your Oreck. And those are pretty nice. They're made out of wood and they've got good Velcro on them.
He can help you get hooked up to get a Challenger if you already have an Oreck and want to get a bigger machine.
Yeah, if you want something bigger.
We love these machines for everything, but some people want these for smaller places and bigger machines for bigger places. And we're kind of weird. We use this for all places. It works.
Yeah.
But yeah, Corey can help you get a Challenger, or he can help you get the Challenger pad driver that fits the Oreck. Now, Corey can get you a little bit of money off a Challenger. I don't know how much, but he claims he can save you something, so why not call him?
Yeah, well, since he's trying to do a deal with Challenger, you know, why not go through him to get a pad driver too?
Yeah.
Because it all helps him look like he's doing more business for them, and they'll appreciate it, and he'll appreciate it. And I'll put a link in the video description for the Oreck and the stock Oreck pad drivers. I mean, sorry, the stock Oreck bonnets, because you can use those and they're fine.
Yeah.
They're the easiest thing to get because you can just buy one at a time on Amazon.
The basic thing about bonnets is this: you use a microfiber on thin carpets, use a cotton on thicker carpets, and the Oreck bonnet works on thick and thin because since it's a polyester bonnet, it glides on everything.
Yeah, it's a blend.
It don't have extra grip because it's not cottony or got scrub strips in it. But that's how we do it, and we've been doing it for a lot of years, and we never had no trouble. So.
All right, I'm gonna end the video here, and I've already told you if I use this clip, I may not, but if I do, it's just hooked on to the other one anyway, and the links are all in the video description. And I hope you enjoyed everything, and have a great holiday and a great 2021. Thanks for watching.